guys, Xbox RC here, and yeah, I'm back with another new quick video for you. This time, of course, it's not going to be car related, it's going to be drone related, and as many as you guys know, this is the DJI Spark. And as you can see, I got the little Lego figure in there to kind of give you a perspective on how small this thing really is, because sometimes just looking at the video here doesn't really give you an idea. But anyways, as you can see, I also got a little bit of bug juice on there. You're definitely going to chop up a few bugs when flying this thing around. Now, many of you guys are probably wondering, why would you get this one in comparison to a lot of the other DJI models? And to be honest, the DJI Spark, due to the size, is just a super tiny drone. You can pretty much take anywhere. It doesn't really weigh much. The battery life is great. You can get some really great footage. Now, the batteries last probably around 15 minutes or so, depending on, how hard you're really going to push the drone. So I always recommend to at least pick up 1 or 2 extra. That way, you guys can get at least 30 to 40 minutes worth the flight time and footage if you guys are recording. And of course, they're really easy to use and you don't need the controller. I had someone else ask me if you need the controller to fly this, and the answer is no. You could actually fly it completely autonomous with your hand and just do the hand gestures, which is really, really cool. But I do think the remote itself does bring a lot of different aspects to the DJI Spark, which allows you to do a longer range. It also gives you a little more flexibility. You can do things like sport mode, which hopefully I'll show here in a later video. Now, this, of course, does shoot in 1080. It does not shoot in 4K, so if you guys are interested in that, definitely go for, one of the other upper-level DJI models. But I'm telling you right now, the 2-axis gimbal makes beautiful shots. I do have the Mavic Air, or plan to get the Mavic Air. And that thing I heard, at 4K is unbelievable, so hopefully we're going to get some good video from that. But anyway, I just wanted to go over this, and you guys can see kind of in the lower left-hand corner, some of the flight footage I have. And I wasn't going too terribly fast, and it wasn't too much of a bad day out, but you guys can kind of see some of the footage there, which I'll transition to. But nonetheless, a very great drone for the price. I recommend this for anybody who is getting into photography, maybe with that 2-axis gimbal. But if you really want to go with the 3-axis gimbal, you got to get one of the upper models. But still, as you can see by the footage, which will transition, it's great. So I recommend it. Definitely a cool video. Hopefully we can get some more here out very soon. I'll transition over to some of the actual footage that I shot just this last summer. Thanks again, guys.